How to use apple cider vinegar with the mother and honey to cure asthma-induced chest congestion, bronchitis and breathing problem. For those battling breathing difficulties, you don't have to hurt no more. In this video, I will explain to you a short remedy to tackle your condition. This is a personal review of how effective apple cider vinegar is and how to use it to cure your condition. At this stage, forget everything you might have read or watch online, as I will show you how this powerful drink has changed my life forever. What you will need: 1. Organic apple cider vinegar with the mother as seen here. 2. Organic honey. 3. Measuring spoons. 4. Drinking water. If you don't have any of the above, visit your local grocery store and pick them up. Preparation instruction. 1. Add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass containing 250 milliliters of lukewarm water. 2. Add 2 tablespoons of organic honey to the mixture. 3. Put the mixture in a jar with lid and mix it thoroughly. 4. Ensure the content is thoroughly mixed. 5. Take 3 tablespoons right away for instant relief. 6. Repeat the same dosage every 2 to 3 hours for 24 hours. Please do not overdose on ACV and honey mixture because it will increase the acidity of your stomach, which may lead to nausea, upset stomach and vomiting. ACV is highly acidic, so don't overdose on it to avoid discomfort. Your symptoms should start easing out the moment you take this mixture. From personal experience, after ACV and honey mixture has done its part, the next thing to tackle is cough. In my next video, I will give you a life-saving recipe that will help you kick out the cough right away. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure.